When we step into our 50s, many of us start to feel our bodies slow down. Mornings can feel heavier, and sometimes fatigue shows up for no clear reason. We tend to blame it on age. But there's a truth we often overlook. Sometimes it isn't age itself, but the organs that have been quietly working without a break, especially the kidneys. The kidneys are like sophisticated filters, working day and night to remove toxins and keep the body in balance. The problem is, as the years add up, those kidneys grow weaker, more prone to inflammation, and more vulnerable to damage from our diet and lifestyle. People often say, cut back on salt, drink more water. That's true, but it's only half the story. The other half, often even more important, is what we add to our plates each day. There are familiar vegetables that, over time, become natural remedies. They help strengthen the kidneys, ease inflammation, and slow the decline that aging brings. The wonder is, they're not exotic at all. You can find them at the supermarket around the corner, on the simple dinner tables of American families. And today, I'll share 7 of those vegetables with you. Not as a dry checklist, but as companions on the journey, bringing vitality and calm to your kidneys and to this season of life we're living. Let's start with carrots, the bright, radiant root we've long associated with healthy eyes. Few people realize that carrots are also a quiet guardian of the kidneys. Within those crisp, sweet orange strands lies beta-carotene, a compound the body converts into vitamin A. Think of vitamin A as a protective coat, preserving the delicate lining inside the kidneys and blood vessels, guarding it against inflammation and the wear and tear of time. Carrots are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, the silent saboteurs that hasten kidney aging. A carrot lightly roasted in the oven, or a bowl of chicken soup with carrots simmered until tender. Simple, familiar, and yet nourishing to every kidney cell. And here's a small secret. When carrots are cooked, your body absorbs more beta-carotene than when they're eaten raw. Sometimes, gentle heat and time are nutrition's best friends. From the vibrant orange, we move to the deep green of broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a side dish for healthy dinners. It's a frontline defense against inflammation and toxins. Within those green florets lies sulforaphane, a compound that activates the body's natural detox pathways in the liver and kidneys. It's like throwing open the windows of a stuffy house and letting fresh air rush in. As we grow older and the body's filtering functions slow down, sulforaphane offers a timely assist, helping us preserve that inner clarity. Beyond that, broccoli provides vitamin K to protect the bones and vitamin C to strengthen the connective tissues of the urinary tract. When you lightly steam broccoli and drizzle on a bit of olive oil, you're not just eating a vegetable, you're giving your body a chance to renew itself from within. If broccoli is strength, then cabbage is gentleness. A humble, everyday vegetable, sometimes forgotten in the corner of the kitchen, cabbage holds valuable anti-inflammatory compounds like sulforaphane and indoles. They help halt the fibrosis of kidney tissue, the gradual stiffening that robs the kidneys of their flexibility in filtering blood. Cabbage, especially red cabbage, adds anthocyanins, antioxidant pigments that help calm the slow, smoldering flames of inflammation in the body. It's easy to fold cabbage into meals, a light coleslaw for lunch or a winter vegetable soup. And here's the bonus. Cabbage is inexpensive and stores well. A single head in the fridge can keep you company for a week, quietly delivering benefits we often don't even notice. Stepping away from the leafy greens, let's come back to the clean simplicity of cauliflower. Many Americans are used to mashed potatoes at dinner, but potatoes are high in potassium and can be a burden for weaker kidneys. Cauliflower steps in as a perfect substitute, soft, easy to mash, and very low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. It's like a considerate friend, comforting without weighing you down. Beyond being kidney-friendly, cauliflower brings vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber, nutrients directly tied to cellular repair and a healthy digestive system. When you mash cauliflower into mashed cauliflower with a little unsalted butter, you keep its gentle sweetness while creating a comforting dish that makes your kidneys smile. Green beans, the veggie that often feels like just a side, are actually a quiet hero. They're naturally low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. The three things people with kidney issues need to watch. But green beans aren't just safe, they actively give back. Vitamin C helps tame inflammation, vitamin K supports healthy clotting and strong bones, and folate plays a role in DNA repair. And don't forget the fibre. It gently keeps digestion moving, helps steady circulation, and eases the workload on your kidneys. For a simple dinner, a handful of green beans steamed until just tender, finished with a drizzle of olive oil and a crack of black pepper, is a peaceful little gift to a tired body. Now, let's add a little surprise. Red bell peppers. That vivid red doesn't just brighten the plate, it also comes with very little potassium, which is rare for such brightly coloured vegetables. Red peppers are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and other powerful antioxidants that support the immune system and calm inflammation. Picture a summer salad with crisp, sweet slices of red pepper, or peppers roasted in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil. That's not just colour on your plate, it's the quiet colour of kidney protection from within. Many studies show that antioxidant-rich eating can slow the decline in kidney function, and red bell peppers are a simple, everyday example of that truth. Finally, asparagus, a vegetable synonymous with American spring. It has a mild diuretic effect, helping the body flush out excess salt and toxins. For the kidneys, that's a valuable assist, like having an extra set of hands when the workload gets heavy. Asparagus also provides folate, vitamin K, and fibre, supporting healthy blood pressure and protecting blood vessels. A plate of oven-roasted asparagus finished with a little olive oil and fresh lemon is simple, elegant, and a quiet message of care. In moderation, asparagus offers gentle, non-intrusive support, the kind we appreciate in our later years. These 7 vegetables, each with its own style and colour, share a single mission: to nourish the kidneys in quiet. Behind them is solid science. Nutrition research shows that a diet rich in low-potassium vegetables, antioxidants, and fibre helps reduce inflammation, improve blood pressure, and steady blood sugar, all factors that directly affect kidney health. Kidneys don't thrive on noise. They respond to gentleness, consistency, and patience. And it's these simple vegetables, not expensive medications, that can offer lasting peace to such a delicate organ. When we think about aging, many of us fear decline. But maybe we should see it differently. Growing older is also a chance to slow down, choose more carefully, and tend to each meal with intention. A handful of green beans, a bowl of mashed cauliflower, a few slices of red bell pepper, or a plate of roasted asparagus, small things repeated, become the foundation of a calmer, more graceful later life. Health rarely comes from grand gestures. It grows out of patience, one everyday choice at a time. When we move past 60, life stops feeling like a race the way it did in our younger years. What we seek more is peace, balance, and a body steady enough to savour each moment. Our kidneys, after so many years of tireless work, deserve that gentle care. And as you've seen, it doesn't come from lavish secrets or complicated formulas. It comes from simple vegetables, right in the kitchen, right in the familiar supermarket. Carrots, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, green beans, red bell peppers, and asparagus. Each vegetable, when it lands on the table, carries a message. Slow down, nourish from within. Repeat that message day after day, and the body will listen. The kidneys will answer with relief, and the spirit will feel more at ease. So this week, choose one of those 7 vegetables and begin. Let it become a small habit, then grow into a quiet delight. Because health rarely arrives through grand changes. It's born from a humble plate of vegetables, eaten with gratitude and care. That's how we step into later life not only healthier, but fuller and more meaningful.